Hello and welcome to Dust Food and Barbecue. Let's make some roast beef, bacon and eggs. Okay, so in a skillet, put some butter, 4 eggs and salt and pepper to taste. Slowly let it heat up and start to solidify. While that's solidifying, place the bacon on a working area. In my case I had 7 slices, so that's what I made. Grouping them 2 and 2, and then once the eggs have solidified, put them to the side. Don't heat them too much. Okay, a slice of leftover roast beef on the bacon, topped with a little bit of egg, piece of cheese. I put blue cheese on 2 and regular cheese on 2. Then once that's in place, roll it up into rolls, put it in I actually oiled up a cast iron pan for the oven. And there we go. Into the oven, full broiler for as long as it takes for the bacon to harden. And then I forgot to record when I cut it into slices, but you know how to do that. There is some roast beef, bacon, eggs and blue cheese or cheese for my wife breakfast suggestion left over from my mom's party we had yesterday, buffet catering. No sandwich, Keto. Cheers. That was really good. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.